You now have the ability to control the flow of your JavaScript programs using conditional statements and loops. With just these simple tools, you can already build some pretty impressive programs.
However, as the problems you face get more and more complex, so too will the code you write. But there's an easy way to fix this.
As your code gets longer, inevitably there will be code that repeats the same number of steps. Instead of repeating the same steps multiple times, we can package up those processes into reusable chunks of code called functions.
To understand why functions are so useful, let's think about something you might use in your day-to-day life.
How about a microwave? We've got one right here.
Yeah, that works. When you use a microwave to heat things up.
Like pizza, because I hate cold pizza, and we just so happen to have some cold pizza right here.
Yeah, like pizza. When you use a microwave to heat things up, like pizza, you first need to tell the microwave how long to heat it up for based on the number of slices. Let's say it takes about 1.5 minutes per slice. Then you need to set the microwave to 50% power, since you're reheating the pizza, not cooking it. And after all that, you hit start, and you wait, and then there's your pizza. This method for heating up pizza works, but it could be quite time-consuming having to set the microwave every time. Thankfully, at least in our microwave, there's a pizza reheat button that sets the power level and heating time. James just needs to tell it how many slices he has.
This pizza reheat button works like a function. Functions are just lines of code all packaged together that we can use and reuse when we need them. In most cases, a function is given some data, performs operations on the data, and then returns the altered data. The input you give the function, or argument as it's usually called in programming, is the number of pizza slices. The operation it performs is setting the power and time to reheat the pizza, and its returned output is the reheated pizza.
It's like a shortcut.
Exactly. The pizza reheat button hides the steps for reheating pizza and makes it easier to reheat as many slices of pizza as we want without having to redo all the settings from scratch each time.
That's assuming all the pieces will fit in the microwave.
Right.